Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download NHS application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, you need to open Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. Other browser won't do it. Now, at the address bar, type in NHS and click on enter. Now, go to the official website of NHS. After that, at the top right corner, you can see 3 dots. Click on it. You can also click Alt F on your keyboard. Now, go to the app section. Hover your mouse to it and you can see install this site as an app. Click on it and type in the name for your application. After that, click on install button. Now, you can pin this application to taskbar or start, or you can also create a desktop shortcut. Simply click on this checkbox here. And you can make this application auto start on your device login by clicking on this box. After that, click on allow button. So, you can see your application on your start here. That is how you can download NHS application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.